Pero sabi ng gano'n, you can always listen to their thoughts and opinion, but then in the end, you make a decision for yourself. And this card,
Ito naman, nag-o-offer sila ng pencil drawing. Ay, pwede ano lang. Ito naman yung man-made theater, nagawa sa mga scrap woods. You know, may theater.
I was 14 and I was by myself in the forest. I find the guy who was running, hiding, saving his life, same as me. I didn't know any place besides my village. I just